There's no question that science and technology are making huge inroads to almost every part of our lives today. We're seeing it in medicine, manufacturing, communications, energy, and it's making some big differences in how we look at things, improve them, and get better results.
The speed of change in robotics and automation is frankly amazing right now. And it's not just in the US, it's throughout the world. Companies of all sizes are trying to figure out how can we be stronger global competitors, and often robotics and automation is the answer.
MPI is an international company, and when we look at players in the market, we're not looking at who's next door in New Jersey. We absolutely look at a world market. We have equipment in over 40 countries, and we knew that our equipment was going to land any place in the world.
Robotics and automation in manufacturing is one of those areas where innovation is accelerating so rapidly. And with this explosion in technology, companies like ABB are being mindful not just about what's possible, but how and where those advances should occur for the best outcomes.
We quickly discovered that the conventional approach was insufficient to address the variety of needs that our customers had. We had to become even more innovative, and we had to look for more flexible and capable tools. And we discovered robotics.
One of the most important advantages of robots is that they remove people from dangerous jobs. Well, for example, I'm aware of a small manufacturing company that bends a lot of steel by hand, or used to. They had so many injuries. Productivity was down, but more important, people were getting hurt on the job. They implemented robotics and automation. Since then, they're so proud of the fact that over 1,000 straight days without an injury.
We've tried to use them as a strategy to keep our employees safer in harsh environments, as well as to improve productivity. Anywhere that we don't have to touch the product, we try to use automation. Specifically, we've used robots in our die-cast facilities for many years.
Thermal spray is a very nasty process. It produces a lot of overspray, and dust and everything that's in a room is very unfriendly to a human being. Getting the operator out was the thing to do, the right thing to do, and to make workers safe.
Robots work each and every day. They make the products exactly the same each and every time. And in the investment casting industry, and specifically in the wax room, that's critical.
By automating, we can actually reduce their scrap rate, sometimes by as much as 50%. If you handle the part with a robot, you're going to get the exact same part every single time.
And the people like having the robots around. It's made the culture of the company more high-tech and made it a better workplace, a safer workplace, and a more competitive workplace. A lot of times we read, particularly in the media, that robots are costing jobs. We believe that robots are saving and creating jobs. Why? Because for every robot you see, somebody had to build it, design it, install it, maintain it, program it.
We've increased in our production greatly. We've increased the number of employees that we have on staff. From the beginning, when we just had a few welders in there, maybe 2 or 3, to now where we have close to 90 that's actually in our fabrication facility.
As the use of robotics in the workplace is growing, so are the teams of people who are programming them, integrating their use in facilities of every size, developing companion products, and sometimes entirely new product categories in the same facility.
We recognize that we can impact our customers' business in the way that we develop solutions for them. So we take ownership of that responsibility and we innovate. And to do that, we leverage our partners as much as we can.
Robotics offers so many advantages, but they're also a way for you to benchmark yourselves against the best manufacturers in the world. If they're using robots and they're achieving all of these advantages and you're not, you're at risk.
Looking ahead at the sheer potential for what's coming, we're almost unlimited in what we can change for the better, not just in how we manufacture things, but in how we can now integrate virtually everything we do into a more successful company and, without question, a stronger, smarter workforce.